National Women Congress opens in Hanoi today. Approximately 1,000 delegates representing Vietnamese women across the country are gathering in Hanoi for the 13th National Congress, which officially opens on March 10. Many senior party and state leaders are expected to attend the opening ceremony of the gathering. During the two-day event, the delegates will review women-run campaigns over the past 5 years and outline orientations for the 2022–2027 tenure. They are set to hammer out measures to effectively implement tasks over the next 5 years, focusing on innovation and integration for the sake of women's well-being and national prosperity. The delegates will elect a new executive committee, an elite board of the Vietnam Women's Union for 2022–2027. Various activities will be held on the sidelines of the Congress, including an exhibition on women's contributions to national development and integration, and the launching of an SMS message campaign to build at least 130 livelihood models for women living in border and island areas. There will be a dialogue program between women and state leaders aimed at promoting gender equality and empowering women. A new emulation campaign will also be launched on this occasion.
Vietnam approves AstraZeneca Evusheld treatment for COVID-19 patients. The Ministry of Health licensed AstraZeneca's Evusheld antibody on March 10 for use as part of COVID-19 prevention efforts to support high-risk people who are most vulnerable to virus infection. Evusheld, a long-acting monoclonal antibody, serves as a prevention therapy for certain high-risk people that is capable of helping to protect them from COVID-19 infection before they are actually exposed to the virus. It is the first pre-exposure prophylaxis product created to tackle COVID-19, with the exception of vaccines. Given the rapid spread of the SARS-CoV-2 virus in Vietnam, including the detection of the Omicron variant, people suffering from underlying diseases such as liver and kidney failure, cardiovascular disease, musculoskeletal problems, diabetes, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and those with moderate and severe immunodeficiency, can be more vulnerable to virus infection. In contrast to normal vaccines, Evusheld helps inoculated individuals produce a necessary amount of antibodies in order to protect them against COVID-19. With an efficiency of up to 83%. Indeed, no cases of severe illness or death have been recorded post-injection over the course of 6 months of trials, according to AstraZeneca's PROVENT study. Clinical tests also indicate that Evusheld can neutralize the Omicron variant, especially its sublineages BA.1.1 and BA.2, that have spread across nearly 100 countries and territories, including Vietnam. It is also noteworthy that those who are unable to get any of the existing COVID-19 vaccines because of serious side effects to any of the components of the vaccines such as severe allergy and anaphylaxis can get the Evusheld injection.
Two cabinet members to be grilled over burning issues. Minister of Industry and Trade Nguyen Hong Dien and Minister of Natural Resources and Environment Tran Hong Ha will be questioned over issues of people concern at the ongoing 9th session of the National Assembly Standing Committee. Minister Dien will answer legislators' questions relating to petroleum production, import and supply, as well as the management of petrol and oil prices in recent times. He will also be grilled over issues concerning market management, prevention and combat of smuggling, counterfeit goods, poor quality goods and goods of unknown origin. Meanwhile, Minister Ha will take the floor to answer questions relating to planning, management and use of land in urban areas, as well as the settlement of complaints and denunciations in the field. He will also be questioned about the control of waste discharge from factories, industrial waste treatment, collection, transportation and treatment of domestic solid waste, wastewater pollution, and investment plans to build domestic waste treatment plants in localities. The Q&A session will take place on March 16, the last day of the first phase of this sitting, and be connected with all the 63 NA deputies delegations nationwide via video conference. It will also be broadcast live on the channels of the Vietnam Television, Radio The Voice of Vietnam, and the Na Television. The 9th session of the National Assembly Standing Committee, which opened in Hanoi on March 10, is divided into 2 phases, with the first taking place from March 10 to 16, and the second from March 22 to 25. Thank you for watching the newsletter, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.